Guys, I was making something in the microwave, then my microwave somehow died. Now the lights turned off, because look. It's not working. Something went wrong, because look. See? This one works. And this one works. Oh, it's over here. See? It works too. But my microwave is dead. I think it's not going to turn on anymore. See, it's already open and it's dead. See, I was just making this. Oh, is that why? This is meant, oh no, it's not. Nothing works. Nothing works. Well, it's dead. So bye guys, that was so strange.